Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start now, remove the batteries and unplug any cable because power can short electronics. Once done, peel back the sticky label to expose the hidden torque screw and unscrew the 4 visible rear screws. Use a plastic pry pick to gently separate the halves. Work around the seam, not forceful leverage because clips break easily. Make sure parts land on a clean mat in order. This prevents lost springs and cam washers. This first step gets the chassis open and gives you full access to the analog module. Once the shell is off, lift the faceplate and disconnect the small ribbon and battery connector. Do it slowly so pins stay straight. Now unscrew and remove the analog stick module. Inspect the shaft, detent ring, and internal spring for wear or a slipped cam. Use a brush and 90% plus isopropyl to clear grime from contacts and the potentiometer. Dirt causes failure to register presses. If the spring is bent or the pivot is cracked, swap in the exact replacement part. Reassembly must maintain original alignment for the press mechanism to work. Reassembly. Reconnect the ribbon and battery plug, then set the analog module in its slot, ensuring the shaft sits through the faceplate hole and the detent ring aligns with the button. Snap clips together and tighten screws evenly. Avoid over-torquing, which strips threads. Insert batteries and pair the controller, then run calibration on your console or PC to confirm the press now registers. If the problem persists after cleaning and replacing the spring, the only way left is a full replacement analog module or contacting support for warranty repair.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.